Okay, I'm going to be doing a chain pull today. Oops. I'm using a black background. I have these 4 colors. They're medium paints: lavender purple, mint green, apricot orange, and waterfall blue. I'm using them to pull the chain with. I'm affiliated with Meaden, and I have some links in my description below my video of different supplies. Like I'm pretty sure I have the paint. I have the link for these paints and a few other things. I have the link to their website, Meaden's website, and I have a coupon code for 12% off your total order if you order from them. Okay, so I am using a black background, going over an old painting I'm not too fussy on. I've got some chain here that I'm using. It's just regular ball chain. It's not very big. I'm using that. I'm going to spread my paint with this comb. I find it's the best way to spread paint for this technique, for a chain pull or for a string pull. You want it thin, but not too thin. You don't want it too thick, or the paint below the chain pull part will swallow up your paint. I have a container of water beside me that I'm putting my chain in, and I'm putting this in so that the paint doesn't dry on it. I've got my paint in these little containers. I've never done this type of chain pull before. I've done chain pulls, lots of chain pulls before, but not this type, not this technique. So what I'm doing is I dipped my chain in the paint and I ran my finger along the chain to knock off any extra, because usually this chain holds quite a bit of paint, and you have to have your paint kind of on the thicker side, otherwise it'll all blend with each other, and you won't get the definition of the chain part, the balls. Let's go for yellow now. Okay, and I've got blue now. Actually, I'm running my hand along there 3 times. I might do some embellishing on it after, because it looks very plain to me. I should have did multiple colors on each chain. I've seen that before, and I've done it before, but not exactly for this technique. All right, let's see how that dries, and then I'm going to do some embellishing. I'm just going to show you a close-up. It kind of looks cool, but hopefully I'm going to make it look better. I'll be back. Okay, I came back and I decided to do some embellishing. I was gonna add black lines to define the chain pull. And I tried it over here. I didn't like the look of it. So I think I'm just going to do some little white dots, just like this, just to give it a little bit of more interest. Basically, that's all I can do for it. So see how that looks. And I'm using this here, this white, it's an acrylic paint marker. And it is Daler-Rowney. Okay, so I started over here. Just continue on over here. I'm just going to follow along where the chain, the middle of the chain, or between the chain, each chain ball. In person and close up, it looks really cool. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.